Today is the day I'm going back to Italy. Guys, I'm so excited. You don't even understand. I'm so excited. Like, I'm trying to like bury my excitement or like kind of put it down because you know, I want to make sure I get through Rome and get through Nashville and stuff like that, but you know, everything is good. Yeah, it's like 7:20 in the morning right now, and my flight leaves at 12:35 from Nashville to go to Atlanta. So we're getting on the road. I'm so excited. I only have a few more things left to pack here, and these are just things that I needed the night before, so I can just throw these very quickly in my like, not my carry-on, but like my messenger kind of like computer bag. That's the word. So yeah, we're almost there. Of course, I have to make my coffee before I leave. Oh my gosh, it's my last time having coffee in this little Keurig for the foreseeable future. And then of course I'll miss this guy. I actually should take out the water. I should do that. Yeah, actually I wanted to show you this new coffee because it's kind of like that same cappuccino one that I've been trying, but I got this one the other day at Publix, and it's vanilla latte. These are really good as well. I like them too. So you guys, I can't even explain to you. It doesn't feel real yet. It doesn't feel real. It really doesn't. And you know, I know that here in probably like an hour and a half I'm gonna be at the airport, and within like 3 hours I'll be boarding the plane to get to Atlanta, and then at 6 p.m. tonight, as I'm filming this, June 1st, I'll be getting on the plane to Rome. I'm just so jazzed. My coffee's ready, almost. But also, I bought Miitopia last night just because I wanted a new game to play. It's so cute, it's so fun, and there's so many like little access keys that you can get and like different characters. It's so cool. But I'm gonna eat breakfast and I'll let you know when something else interesting happens. You guys, everything is packed. We're about to go. Oh my gosh, are you excited, Mama?
I'm very excited. I'm gonna miss you, but I am so excited for you. Everything you're gonna get to see.
I know, I'm very excited. I'm just, you know, I'm nervous, but it's fine. Everything's fine.
It's an experience.
But I'll see you in the car. Bye, baby. Kiva. And you don't care about me right now because you just want to see Mom, but I love you and I'll miss you so much. Kiva, I know you, okay, you don't understand, but I love you. We made it to the airport, you guys. We're gonna get everything checked in, and then I will let you know whenever I'm ready for boarding, or I'll let you know whenever I get past security and get checked in and everything. Oh my God. You guys, I made it at my first gate, and we're gonna start boarding at 11:55. It is now 10:14, so it's gonna be a little bit, but it's totally fine. I'm fine. Like, I'm super excited. So yeah, I'm excited, and I'll let you know whenever we actually get boarded, but I'm just sitting here with my luggage. Oh my God. One step away. And also, the girl that actually checked me in, I hope I'm not covering the mic, I really do, but the girl that checked me in here in Nashville, she was the sweetest thing, and she was also from Italy, and she said, oh my gosh, you know, you're gonna have such a good time, you're gonna see so many things, and I'm like, oh my God, I know I will. So she was from the north of Italy, so that's really cool. I'm so excited. So I'll let you know whenever we start boarding, and yeah, I'm just gonna hang out and probably just go on my phone. You guys, I made it to Atlanta. I'm here. It is like 4 right now, and we're gonna board at around 5. So I'm like halfway there. In Atlanta, I ate. Everything's good. So hopefully you can hear me. I have to talk really low because, you know, like I'm in an airport. But yeah, I'll let you know whenever I get on the plane. But I made it to Atlanta. You guys, I made it to Rome. I'm so excited. It's like 10:30 a.m. here right now, and I did my last COVID test and I was negative, of course, and now I'm just kind of in here hanging around the airport. I'm a little early, so the gate number hasn't been displayed yet, but it will be very soon, and I'm so excited. I'm here. I went through security and everything went very smoothly. So I'm super jazzed. I think I got some water, and I might get something to eat. I'm not sure, but we're at our last leg, you guys. I have one more flight, and then I shall see my boyfriend. Guys, I made it!
Where am I supposed to look?
In the camera.
In the camera.
In the lens, yeah. But I usually look at the viewfinder.
I do as well, which you can see then, which is kind of weird.
Guess I made it, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm so tired.
Yeah, I was about to ask.
Yeah, I'm so tired, but I can't go to bed yet because it's not even 4 p.m. So.
Yeah, it's like what? 3:30?
Yeah, 3:30, something like that. So.
Welcome to Sicily.
Yeah, but I'm so excited. I finally made it, and I don't know.
Pizza.
Yeah, we can do that.
We're going to get pizza, pasta.
We can do pizza, pasta, gelato.
Cannoli.
Cannoli.
Cassate.
And I don't know what that is.
It's a very nice sweet. Typical
Really?
Sicilian. Yeah,
Really?
very nice, yeah.
Is that the green one?
The green one, yeah.
Ah, I know what that is. But you guys, I think well, maybe I won't end the vlog here just yet. If we're gonna get food, maybe I can just film that.
Sounds good.
But yeah, I'm here and I'm so excited.
Hello.
We stopped by a cafe today. Look at it. Oh, there's a pigeon. But he took me to a really fancy cafe.
Yeah.
Oh, just look at all this.
Buonasera. Buonasera. The barman is actually a friend of mine, and he's looking forward to meet you.
Oh, let's meet him.
Yeah. He even did
Grazie.
the little thing. He did the little picture.
It's very cute.
This is my cornetto.
see. And then we got cappuccino. This one is chocolate cornetto, which is really good. And they
Nutella.
both got honey ones.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we ordered pizza, guys.
Italiana.
Sì, so margherita.
Margherita.
Sì, e questo.
Pizza con le patatine.
Sì, so it's got sausage and it's got French fries on it.
Yeah.
Questo.
La romana with ham.
Very good. And I'm so freaking excited. Well, we just finished eating and, well, I finished eating. Raph is still eating his. And I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna end this vlog here. It's just been focused. I don't know, man.
Yeah.
It is. Okay, cool. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I took a shower. I got my contacts out. I've had them in for like 24 hours. I feel much better even though I'm exhausted. So, did you want to say something?
Hello, number ones.
Ah. But I'm gonna go to bed here in a minute and I'm so tired. But tomorrow, guys, I got a month and a half of this. I'm so excited. I am so jazzed. I cannot wait to just see all the things, and like I'm gonna vlog again tomorrow. I'm gonna edit this video. I'm gonna edit this vlog tomorrow in the morning when I wake up, which shouldn't take me very long. And then I'm gonna vlog again because it's just too much fun. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this first kind of like travel vlog, if you will. Yeah, there will be more to come, and then I'll try to do makeup content at some point. I don't even know if you guys care about the whole makeup stuff. If you do, great. If not, then, you know, we'll do travel stuff. Just do vlogs. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you in the next video.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Pizza.
Pizza.